Alin Mesenas wrote us a letter regarding right-of-way. According to Alin, her cousin paid for the value of the land used as access to the main road from their neighbor, who owns the land in front of their property. When Alin bought the land from her cousin, their neighbor closed off the right-of-way that her cousin bought from such neighbor. Alin wants to know if there is a law that requires her neighbor to give her a right-of-way. Alin, in our opinion, the first thing that you should do is to check the title of the land you bought from your cousin if the easement of right-of-way that he paid for was annotated at the back of the title. If not, consult a lawyer of your choice and to assist you and discuss the ruling of the Supreme Court in the case of Dichoso versus Marcos, which states that, first, to be entitled to an easement of right-of-way, the following requisites must be met. The dominant estate is surrounded by other immovables and has no adequate outlet to a public highway. There is payment for proper indemnity. The isolation is not due to the acts of the proprietor of the dominant estate, and the right-of-way claimed is at the point least prejudicial to the servient estate. And insofar as consistent with this rule, where the distance from the dominant estate to a public highway may be the shortest. Remember, though, the well-entrenched doctrine that in order to justify the imposition of an easement of right-of-way, be a real, not fictitious or artificial necessity for it. Mere convenience for the dominant estate is not what is required by law as the basis of setting up a compulsory easement. Even in the face of necessity, if it can be satisfied without imposing the easement, the same should not be imposed. Should there be another area which you and your neighbors can develop as an adequate outlet to the road, you may do so after complying with all the requisites for a valid easement to be imposed. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at newscenterptv4@gmail.com. Attorney Jimeno-Atienza for the Rule of Law.